ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Chemical reactions due to the breakage of oxygen-hydrogen bond, and chemical reactions due to carbon-oxygen bond, and chemical reactions due to carboxylic acid functional group, and chemical reactions due to hydrocarbon bond. Right now we are discussing about reactions, chemical reactions due to the breakage of CO bond in carboxylic acids. So second type of chemical properties, chemical reactions, chemical reactions due to the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond or COH bond in carboxylic acids. Chemical reactions due to CO bond breakage. In this case, number one is formation of anhydride formation. Right, anhydride formation, 2 moles of acids undergoes dehydration by the breakage of CO bond to produce anhydride. Okay, carboxylic acid or COOH, this is carboxylic acid, and one more carboxylic acid is RCOOH. A breakage of carbon oxygen, here hydrogen, so removal of water, H2O in the presence of P4O10 or P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide. Dehydration takes place, removal of water. It is produced by anhydride or COOR. It is the anhydride formation. So this anhydride formation is best example for CO bond breakage. Okay, CO bond breakage, here removal of water. For example, if you take acetic acid, CH3COOH, carboxylic acid, acetic acid, and second mole of acetic acid, CH3COOH, in the presence of P2O5, a removal of water, H2O minus H2O, it gives acetic anhydride, CH3COOCH3. Its name is acetic anhydride. It is simply represented by AC2O. AC2O is nothing but acetic anhydride. Okay, so this is the chemical reaction, especially due to CO bond breakage, carbon oxygen bond breakage. And one more reaction due to CO bond breakage is second reaction due to CO bond breakage. Second type of reaction is carboxylic acid or COOH, carboxylic acid, on treatment with PCl 5. Phosphorus pentachloride. Breakage of carbon and oxygen. This OH group is replaced by chlorine. We are getting acyl chloride RCOCl and POCl3, phosphonyl chloride and HCl, acid halide, breakage of CO bond. Similarly, here PCl3 is added to the carboxylic acid, CO bond breakage. It is also produced by acid chloride plus phosphorus acid H3PO3, phosphorus acid, and SOCl2, thionyl chloride is added to carboxylic acid. Here also produced by acid chloride and sulfur dioxide plus HCl. Okay, among all these reactions in carboxylic acid CO bond breakage, OH group is replaced by chlorine. So PCl5 acid chloride, here PCl3 is also acid chloride, SOCl2 is also acid chloride formation. Okay, now in this reaction, here POCl3 phosphonyl chloride is byproduct, H3PO3 phosphorus acid and sulfur dioxide SO2. POCl3 structure is P double bond O, chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. This is phosphonyl chloride. Okay, around this phosphonyl chloride, 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds are there. Therefore, it is undergoes sp3 hybridization. Similarly, H3PO3, here H3PO3 is phosphorus, here P double bond O and OH group, hydrogen. In this phosphorus acid, number of replaceable hydrogens are only 2. Therefore, basicity of this acid is 2. This is dibasic acid. Therefore, its equivalent weight is equal to your molecular weight or molecular formula weight by your basicity is 2. Equivalent weight is equal to m by 2, molecular weight by 2, or simply your mass by 2, m by 2. Okay, but not 3. So number of replaceable hydrogens only 2, but not 3. So your equivalent weight of phosphorus acid is m by 2 because of its basicity is only 2. Replaceable hydrogens are 2, but not 3 replaceable hydrogens. And sulfur dioxide, here S double bond O, here sulfur dioxide. So here sulfur group number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each oxygen valency 2. Here 2. Remaining 1 lone pair. Therefore, it is undergoes sp2 hybridization. Okay, sp2 hybridization. Here also phosphorus oxy acid is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this molecule is also undergoes sp3 hybridization. Yes, chemical reactions due to CO bond breakage, reaction with PCl5, reaction with PCl3, reaction with thionyl chloride. Here byproduct is phosphonyl chloride. In this phosphonyl chloride, phosphorus hybridization is sp3, and phosphorus acid basicity 2 hybridization is sp3, and sulfur dioxide hybridization sp2. Okay, simple example. Here best example is acetic acid. If you take acetic acid CH3COOH, its name is acetic acid. Acetic acid. What are the products obtained in this reaction? Very simple. This alkyl group is replaced by methyl group. So acetyl chloride formation. Here also say this alkyl group is replaced by methyl group, acetyl chloride formation, and here alkyl group is replaced by methyl group. So your product formation is acetyl chloride formation. Acetyl chloride formation. Okay, this is the best example for the breakage of CO bond. reaction with PCl5 acyl chloride, PCl3 acyl chloride, SOCl2 acyl chloride, byproducts phosphonyl chloride, phosphorus acid and sulfur dioxide. And third chemical reaction due to the CO bond breakage of carboxylic acid. And third one is, this is most important reaction, esterification reaction. Esterification. What is mean by esterification? Esterification means when acid is reacts with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid to produce ester. So this reaction is called as esterification reaction. Okay, what is mean by esterification reaction? When acid reacts with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid like HCl or H2SO4 to form ester and water. Okay, this is called as esterification reaction. When acid is treated with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid like HCl or H2SO4 to form ester and water. This reaction is called as esterification reaction. Okay, it is called as esterification reaction. It is a reversible reaction. It is a reversible reaction. Reversible means both forward and backward reactions are simultaneously to take place. That means here acid combines with alcohol produced by ester and water. If ester and water combines together to form alcohol and acid, both forward and backward reactions are simultaneously takes place. Hence, it is a reversible reaction. So, esterification reaction is a reversible reaction. Acid, alcohol, ester. For example, if you take carboxylic acid or COOH, carboxylic acid plus alcohol or FrOH in the presence of acid like H plus. Now what happened here? In carboxylic acid, breakage of CO bond. Next here, breakage of OH bond. Now removal of water, H2O. It gives ester formation. RCOOR plus water. Okay, this is ester, RCOOR ester. It is a alcohol and this one is carboxylic acid. When acid is treated with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid to form ester and water. Okay, ester combines with water, reversible reaction takes place to produce alcohol and acid. This process is called as esterification reaction. Okay, it is called as esterification reaction. So how to form ester in this reaction? Okay, we can clearly observe by the reaction mechanism. So how to form the ester from acids and alcohol? That is esterification process. In esterification process, reaction mechanism. Yes. For example, here acetic acid is taken, CH3COOH, acetic acid plus ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH in the presence of mineral acid, H plus. breakage of carbon oxygen. Now here oxygen hydrogen bond, it gives CH3CO OC2H5, okay, ethyl acetate plus water formation. Okay, this is called as ester. Its name is ethyl acetate water. It is called as ethyl alcohol, and this one is acetic acid. Okay, when acetic acid reacts with ethyl alcohol in the presence of mineral acid to form ester. Okay, for this reaction mechanism, reaction mechanism, acetic acid CH3COOH acid, CH3COOH acid reacts with H plus. Okay, now what happened here? This pair of electrons are present on oxygen, therefore this pair of electrons donates to H plus. It gives CH3C double bond OH, here loss of one electron pair, positive charge and OH. So then what happened here? These pi bonded electrons are shifted towards oxygen. As a result, CH3COH, here OH, this is plus. Carbocation formation takes place. Now for this carbocation, addition of ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. So this oxygen atom donates lone pair of electrons to the electron deficient carbocation. As a result, bond formation between carbon and oxygen. So it gives CH3 carbon and OH, here OH group, next oxygen C2H5, here hydrogen and plus. This is oxonium ion. Now this oxonium ion is less stable, therefore here proton transfer takes place. Proton transfer. Here proton is transferred from oxonium ion to oxygen. So here proton transfer takes place. Proton transfer, it gives CH3COH. Now here OH and hydrogen atom, just only one pair, loss of one pair of electrons, and oxygen, here C2H5. Okay, then next, here this oxygen is less stable, oxonium ion, therefore here removal of water, here minus H2O. So it gives CH3COC2H5, here oxygen OH and one pair of electrons, it becomes plus. Therefore this pair of electrons are involved in the resonance. As a result, it gives CH3C double bond OH, here loss of one electron pair, positive charge, OC2H5. Then next, this proton released from the oxygen, it gives CH3C double bond O, here OC2H5 plus H plus ion. Okay, this is the final product obtained. Ester formation, ester, and this is acid catalyst. It is the catalyst. Okay, first the reaction is initiated by the catalyst like H plus, and after the formation of product, catalyst is removed or eliminated from this reaction. This is the esterification process. Okay, once again, here carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid, Acetic acid is treated with H plus ion to form oxonium ion. This oxonium ion is unstable, therefore immediately it is undergoes carbocation formation. This carbocation reacts with alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and produced by oxonium ion. This oxonium ion is also unstable, and proton transfer takes place to produce and another mode of oxonium ion. This oxonium ion is also unstable, therefore immediately it undergoes dehydration reaction to form ester. Okay, this process is called as esterification reaction. Okay, what is mean by esterification? When acid is treated with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid to form ester and water. Okay, this reaction is a reversible reaction. What is mean by reversible? Both forward and backward reactions are simultaneously takes place, hence it is a reversible reaction. Okay, this is third chemical reaction due to the breakage of CO bond breakage. And one more chemical property due to the CO bond breakage. CO bond breakage. Yes, and one more reaction. Reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia, NH3. Yes, carboxylic acid or COOH on treatment with ammonia, NH3. It is given by RCOONH4 plus or minus ammonium ion. Okay, this ammonium ion is less stable, which is on treatment with P2O5. P2O5 dehydration takes place. It gives amide formation or CONH2 amide formation. Okay, so formation of amide from carboxylic acids. Similarly, if you take acetic acid, CH3COOH, CH3COOH, and ammonia, it is given by CH3COONH4 plus. And further on heating in the presence of P2O5, dehydration takes place to form acetamide CH3CONH2. It is called as acetamide formation. Okay, acetamide on treatment with P2O5 or P4O10, dehydration takes place. Removal of water. Removal of water, it gives cyanide formation. Okay, it is methyl cyanide formation. Okay, acetic acid reaction with ammonia, ammonium acetate formation, heating, dehydration takes place to form acetamide. Acetamide further reacts with P2O5 or P4O10, dehydration takes place to form methyl cyanide. And similarly, aromatic carboxylic acid is taken, COOH, its name is benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid reacts with ammonia, NH3. It gives ammonium benzoate, COONH4 plus and minus, ammonium benzoate. Okay, ammonium benzoate heating, it is given by C6H5CONH2, benzamide formation, benzamide. Okay, aliphatic carboxylic acids reacts with ammonia, amides formation, amides further dehydration, cyanides formation. Acetic acid, ammonium acetate, estamide formation. Here benzoic acid with ammonia, ammonium benzoate heating, dehydration takes place to form benzamide. Okay, C6H5CONH2. And one more example for this reaction. Terephthalic acid on treatment with ammonia. Terephthalic acid with ammonia. Phthalic acid with ammonia. Reaction with phthalic acid with ammonia. C6H4 COOH. This is called as phthalic acid. Okay, phthalic acid. When phthalic acid reacts with ammonia or 2 moles of ammonia gives rise to ammonium phthalate, COONH4 plus and O minus. Here also COONH4 plus O minus, ammonium phthalate. Okay, this ammonium phthalate on heating, dehydration takes place, removal of 2 moles of water. Here H2O, 2 moles of water, it gives phthalimide, CONH2 and CONH2. Okay, this phthalimide on heating, removal of ammonia, NH3, removal of ammonia. It is given by phthalimide, C6H4CO, here CO, this is C double bond O and NH. Okay, its name is phthalimide, formation of phthalimide. Yes, phthalic acid on treatment with ammonia, ammonium phthalate on heating, dehydration takes place, further on strong heating, removal of ammonia, it gives finally phthalimide. Okay. This phthalimide is especially used in the preparation of primary amines in Gabriel's phthalimide synthesis. Okay. This phthalimide, it is used in the preparation of primary amines by using Gabriel's phthalimide synthesis. Okay, this phthalimide is especially used in the preparation of primary amines in the Gabriel's phthalimide synthesis. Okay, these are the chemical reactions especially due to the breakage or cleavage of CO bond in carboxylic acids. Right, then go for another chemical property of carboxylic acids. Another chemical property, chemical reactions due to carboxylic acid group. Third type of chemical reactions, acids. Carboxylic acids, a reduction with lithium aluminum hydride by ether used as solvent, or diborane B2H6. Lithium aluminum hydride by ether and diborane, and followed by hydrolysis. These carboxylic acids are reduced to alcohols. Okay, carboxylic acids are reduced to alcohols. Carboxylic acids reduction, that means here COOH group is, carboxylic acid group is reduced to alcohol OH. Okay, when carboxylic acids reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or diborane ether used as solvent to form alcohols. Carboxylic acids converted into alcohols. Yes, now in this case, especially here diborane B2H6. Note B2H6 diborane. B2H6 means diborane, already you know, third A group elements in your first year. Diborane does not easily reduces the functional groups, like ester, nitro, and halo, etc. Okay, diborane does not easily reduces the functional groups like ester functional group RCOOR. Esters cannot be reduced by diborane. Nitro NO2 group and halo X, these compounds are not reduced with diborane. And one more important one is sodium borohydride, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Okay, sodium borohydride, it does not reduces the carboxyl group means acid groups. Acid groups cannot be reduced by sodium borohydride. Once again, carboxylic acids with lithium aluminum hydride, acids reduced to alcohols. But diborane does not reduce the functional groups like ester, nitro and halo. Sodium borohydride, it does not reduces the carboxyl group. Carboxyl group means acid groups. Acids are not reduced by NaBH4. Right. For example, here carboxylic acids reduces to alcohols by using lithium aluminum hydride. Best example is general acid RCOOH. Carboxylic acid is RCOOH with lithium aluminum hydride ether and followed by hydrolysis. This acid group is converted into alcohol or CH2OH, alcohol formation. Carboxylic acid is reduced to alcohol. For example, if you take acetic acid, CH3COOH, now this acid group is reduced with lithium aluminum hydride and followed by hydrolysis. This acid group is reduced to alcohol, CH3CH2OH. Its name is ethyl alcohol. Now here it is acetic acid. So acetic acid is reduced to ethyl alcohol. This is reduction. This reduction is due to COOH group, functional group. Okay, and one more reaction, chemical reaction due to carboxyl group. Chemical reaction due to carboxyl group. Yes, second one is decarboxylation. Second type of reaction is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. For decarboxylation, reagent is soda lime. Soda lime. Okay, what is soda lime? NaOH plus CaO 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide mixture is known as soda lime. This soda lime is used for decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Okay, decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide, CO2. Soda lime is added to the carboxylic acids. Immediately it helps to remove the carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, reagent to CO2. For example, sodium salt of carboxylic acid, CH3COO(Na). Sodium salt of this carboxylic acid on treatment with soda lime, NaOH and CaO. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid is treated with soda lime. Here decarboxylation takes place in the form of Na2CO3, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, and this hydrogen atom is attached to methyl group. It becomes methane, CH4 plus Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Or if you take acid without salt, if you take acid CH3COOH, carboxylic acid, on treatment with soda lime like NaOH and CaO, 3:1 ratio, what happen here? Removal of CO2, removal of carbon dioxide. This hydrogen atom is attached to methyl group, methane formation, CH4 plus CO2. Okay, both are same reactions. So if you take sodium salt of fatty acid or carboxylic acid, methane formation, and carbon dioxide is removed in the form of sodium carbonate. But if you take directly carboxylic acid is taken, by addition of soda lime, removal of CO2 and formation of CH4. In both the cases, methane formation, CH4 formation. Okay, same product is obtained. Yes, and one more reaction. For example, if we take CH3CH2COO(Na), sodium propionate. The sodium propionate on treatment with soda lime, NaOH, and followed by CaO. Here also same, removal of sodium carbonate. It is given by ethane, CH3CH3, ethane formation, and sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. If you take propanoic acid with soda lime, same ethane formation takes place. Okay, this is decarboxylation. Here instead of soda lime, we are also used in some cases barium hydroxide. In some cases barium hydroxide is also used as decarboxylating agent. Decarboxylating agent means removal of carbon dioxide. Yes, this is the second chemical reaction due to COOH group. And one more important one is coal base electrolysis reaction. Coal base
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.